Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. This is the previous condition of the machine. The spouts were really dirty inside, so we pretty much end up cleaning everything of the machine. We had to disassemble the whole spout assembly and pretty much clean everything around here. We replaced the infuser, replaced the O-ring from the generator, we deep cleaned the shower screen as well, and as you do over here, that's coffee from the previous test. And yeah, so we just gave it a good clean. We also descaled the machine, making sure everything's running out fine. We cleaned the grinder a little bit, as well as the pre-ground tunnel, and starting with one shot of espresso. We're gonna test out the machine. This is 1.5 ounces. Good water flow coming out of the spouts. And like I said, 1.5 ounces, which is great. Means this is calibrated correctly. And now let's do some steam. You're gonna let the machine build up some pressure, and you should see some steam coming up pretty soon. Now that the base is building up pressure, as you can see, having excellent pressure, having excellent steam coming out of the machine. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.